Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw the diamond cat from Aphmau's Meemeows. So let's get started. To draw this cute cat, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a big tall curve. Kind of like almost drawing like a oval. So I'm going to go up nice and high and then round it off and bring it back down. So as I come down, I kind of come in a little bit. And then at the bottom right here, we're just going to connect it with a soft curve or line. Then from there, I'm going to use this as my guide, come right across, say about right here, and draw the same thing. So we're going to go up nice and high. And I'm just going to drag this across since I'm drawing pretty big. Just makes it easier for me to see and try my best to match the other side. So then from there, we're going to bring this down and connect. There. So now that we have these two shapes in, we're going to come in here at the bottom. We're going to, close to this edge, we're just going to draw lightly. Draw this circle. And then we're going to draw another one right here just to give it another curve in there. And then on this part right here, we're going to draw a diamond, kind of like at a slant. I'm just going to fill it in this space. So this is all the stuff that's in the eye to make it look very sparkly. And then another diamond right here, smaller one, and then a circle right here. So same thing over here. And I'm just doing it lightly so that it's not this harsh black line. And right here, and then same thing. So we're just going to pop in a diamond right here in this space, and another diamond straight up and down here, and a circle. There. Okay, so now that we have that stuff in, we're going to draw some lashes. So come to the sides right here, and we're just going to pop in one curve and then another one. And so same thing here. One and another one. Okay, so now that we have that in, I know it looks weird. Once you color it all in, it'll make sense. And then we're going to draw the mouth. So let's say about right here, we're going to find the center about here. And I'm going to come down with a curve. And another curve. And then connect it. There. And then we're going to pop in this tongue right here. Okay, so now that we have that, then let's draw the head shape. So I'm just going to say use this as my guide. I'm going to come out, this lash right here, I'm going to come out, say about right here. So same thing, come out about the same amount on the other side. And we're just going to draw our usual dumpling shape. So I'm going to go up and just say about right here. Just draw this curve over the eyes. So about here's my center, and then I'm just going to bring it down back to that point. So it's about right there. Sorry if my lines are sketchy, I just need to make sure first. And I made a big mess right there. I just want to make sure my curve is nice and even. Okay, so then from there, we're going to widen this out a little bit where the eyes are. And then start to bring it in. So same thing here. And then start to bring it in. So as we bring it down, I'm just going to go ahead and find my center and say about, just kind of say how low you want it. So I'm just going to give myself a point about right here. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and just draw this curve. It's going to flatten out towards the bottom. and connect everything. So I just like to give myself points as always because I'm drawing big and it just makes it easier for me to see where I'm going. Okay, so there, just this nice big mochi dumpling shape. Then from there, we need to come in here and draw some details to make it look like a diamond. So I'm going to start at the top right here and let's say the side of the eyes. Same thing here, just give yourself some points right here. And I'm just going to use those 2 points and just draw a soft curve right in the center. Then we're going to go down. So we're basically going around the head, just kind of following the head shape almost. There, and then we're going to go around the lashes. And just go all the way around towards the bottom. And connect. So then from there, we're just going to come in here and we're going to connect these. Put in this line right here, kind of this curvish line, and then maybe about right here, another curve. So about right here, same thing. And then one here. And then at the bottom, go right here. And about right here, just draw this curve. I guess it should be more angular. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to draw some ears. So I'll say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw these ears to come about right there. Nice big curve to about here. Then round it off and come down. And then for some details, find a little angle line right here and then 2 curves. So same thing on the other side, right about here. And the same thing about there. So I'm just going to try about right there. Actually, let's see here. About right there. Okay, so we're just going to draw a curve. Round it off and bring it down for the other ear. And once again, angle and curve. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's see here. Now we need to draw, oh, I forgot, 2 little diamonds right here under each eye. And same thing here. There. Okay, so then now for the body, we're going to, let's say maybe like the height of the head and just a little bit lower. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just come out with a curve and then I'm going to start to slope it down. There. And then let's come back to say about, let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just draw the paw, the front paw. And you kind of give it a little bit more angle and then bring it in. Since this is a diamond cat. And about right here, we're going to go across, bring this down. And about right here, we're going to draw the back. So just angle a little bit. And an angle. And then the other paw, so about right here. And angle it in. And so then we need to draw the tail. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just stick out a curve, and then we're going to angle. Do a soft angle, bring it down, and all the way back. There. And so now to draw in all the details, let's come back to here, and I'm going to just start drawing some angles in here. Just to make it look like a gem. So maybe perhaps cut it off, and then same thing. There, and then the back. And we're just going to connect these angles. And then there's going to be one right about here, maybe. And so the main one is about in this part right here, in this center area. I'm just going to go ahead and just at an angle draw this shape right here and connect. So we'll start off with that, and then we can start to connect everything. Angle this out here, and then one main one coming down. Another one here, here. Just try my best to follow the original. Maybe here. I don't know, maybe there should be one here. Looks like there should be one there. And then for the tail, right here in the center, angle it out, and maybe one here, and then a curve all the way in. And let's see, and of course I have to add a heart right here. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this diamond cat from Aphmau's Meemeows turned out, and I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.